Hi, my name is Brian Sass, co-president of LaCrosse Furniture. We've been proudly manufacturing our quality handcrafted furniture here in LaCrosse, Kansas for over 40 years. In 1990, we became an employee-owned company, assuring that every single team member shares in our profits. From customer service to fabric cutters and upholsterers to frame makers and sewers, we all have skin in the game. This assures that everyone's best effort goes into every piece of furniture we make for you, our valued customer. We offer a multitude of styles, from sleep sofas in various sizes with multiple mattress options, to classic traditional, transitional, and lodgeless. Some with our classic high-density foam cushion, while others offer pocketed coil inner spring cushions. With over 350 fabrics and leathers available, you literally have thousands of choices to customize your furniture and truly make it your own.
Hello, my name is Heather Ross, Director of Human Resources at LaCrosse Furniture Company. What makes LaCrosse Furniture Company different? Besides manufacturing high-quality, stylish furniture, we pride ourselves in two things. First, being an employee-owned company, and second, offering products that are made in the USA. As an employee-owned company, LaCrosse takes pride in crafting and delivering a superior product at a fair price that you will be as proud to own as we are to make. As an employee, I am vested in LaCrosse Furniture's success and have a sense of pride in everything we manufacture. As a company, we are working toward the same goals, as we have a positive and transparent culture. Research shows that employee-owned companies really do perform better and create more jobs over the long run than their counterparts. Our Made in the USA products save and create jobs in the United States, and in turn help build a stronger economy. Buying American-made goods does not just support the workers who make those goods. The benefits also ripple through the entire economy. When American factories prosper, they hire American construction firms to expand their operations, American accounting firms to handle their money, and American energy suppliers to provide them with power.
We want you to be part of LaCrosse Furniture. Our dedicated employee owners take great pride in making a product that offers quality, style, comfort, and value right here in the USA. For over 40 years, we've worked hard to make LaCrosse a brand you can trust. Come check us out and experience LaCrosse Furniture.